the purpose of the potato towers is as the plant grows, you put a new board on, and it grows more, and you put a new board on, you add more soil and all that kind of stuff. So first order of business is these plants right here. Those are the ones I'm going to transplant over by the new planters. This variety, hopefully I can get them out of the ground safely. And in the meantime, I am going to put him over there. That guy got fried from our drought in the fall. So he may be permanently dead, but I'll take him out and put him in a pot and see if he rebounds in the spring. I have more 4x4s being already stained, and these boards are going to be for the borders for the potato tower. These are 1x6s. And so I was able to transplant that arborvitae to the other side of the shed. I think it'll actually be happier here. I think it has more room and stuff. So now it's on to building the potato towers. It's a fun and easy project. It's not too hard to do. It's just some 4x4s or 2x4s and some 1x6s nailed together, screwed together to create a box. And they say a 2x2 foot square area can yield about 100 pounds of potatoes. I would be very curious to see if that's actually true. I opted to do the uprights. I stained them in black just to give it a little extra detail, I guess, so everything in the yard's not that cedar color. So basically, yeah, that's how I put together the potato towers. Good morning. It's the next day. I had, from yesterday, had taken the potato towers and put them in the ground. They're all done for the most part, but something that I want to do, that I was thinking about after I put them in, how am I going to screw the boards on if they're up against the shed like that? So my thought was I'm going to pull them out. Plus I want to finish the bed a little bit more. It's not really suitable for growing vegetables. I want to prep the bed better, and then I'm going to take the boards out. I mean the towers out. And I'm going to bring them back to the garage. I'm going to trim off the bottoms. They don't need those little spiky things at the bottoms. And then I am going to put the backside on. So this way, the backside will be done. They'll be up. I won't have to worry about them, and it's up against the shed. So it's not like the sun's going to stop the plant from growing. It's never going to. That side of it's never going to affect it. So that's the plan right now: is to take these out, bring them back to the garage, and prep them bring them back in, and then I'll prep the bed at the same time. I have the bottom of the potato towers are now trimmed down, so they don't have any more points on them anymore. And I just finished staining some more 1x6 so I can use that on the back. This is the stain I used. I had to actually run back to Home Depot because solid color. It's like when we first started doing this project a couple of summers ago, we were using a transparent one. And then last summer, I accidentally used a solid color. I had to go buy more from the store. And when I bought it the other day, I got transparent again. So I had to run back to Home Depot and get the solid color. All right, so now back to the garden and digging out that bed and prepping it for the new potato towers again. All right, the bed is all prepped and ready to go. All I got to do now is cut some more pieces for these guys to put on the back and be ready. I'll be ready to install them. The backside of the potato tower is now done. Now it's ready to go bring it back into the backyard. Here's the border for the bed that I was making in the backyard by the cherry tree. So using my dowel trick, I drilled holes in there. And my tree in the backyard, I don't want the tree to be buried. So I'm making two smaller raised beds, one on each side of the cherry tree. So the cherry tree will have about 2 feet of space. And then with the 1x6 over there, and these 4x4s as the posts for the two smaller raised beds, I'll be able to put them all together in the backyard. It's gonna have to be like a jigsaw puzzle because I'm gonna have to put this piece in first. This is gonna go up the fence, and this one's gonna go on another fence. So I have to coordinate this just right in order to get all the pieces to fit in there nicely. And then after that, now that I finish all this, I start tackling more of the cardboard to go down in the base of the bed. So that's the next step. And then I can cut these pieces down to go around the 4x4 posts. And then that bed will be completely done.